Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create group on LinkedIn. First of all, you have to log in your LinkedIn account. Then you will see this type of interface on your screen, and on the left side of the screen here you will see your profile, and go down the screen and here you will see groups. And in case if you don't see this type of option over here, then you have to go for business, and here you will see groups and you have to click on groups. Once you click on this option, here you will see discover groups, but you don't need click on it. You have to click on create groups. Click on create groups, and here you will define your group name, and here you will write your complete description about your group, and you can write in 2000 words and go down the screen, and here you can add industry, what about you are creating this group, and here you can add your location. If you want to show your group in local, then you can add your location over here, and here you can write your group rules. Go down the screen and here you will see group type. If you want to keep your group in public, then you can click on public. If you want to keep your group private, then you can click on private. Then only your group member will be able to see your post. And if we go down on the screen, here you will see these options. If you allow these options, then by this option your group member will be able to invite anybody on in your group, and you can allow it and you cannot. It is as per your wish. If you go with this option, if anybody want to post on your group, then he must take permission for posting on your group. After the permission, your group member will be able to post in group, and that will be visible to others. When you're done with all of these formalities, then click on create and your group will be created on LinkedIn. So guys, this is how to create group on LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.